How to make font size bigger in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to make font size bigger in Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, navigate to settings, scroll down, look for the option of display and brightness. Tap to access it, scroll down, tap on font. Here you can easily see the preview of your font size at top of your screen. Here you can see the font size. Tap on the slider and you can easily move to the right and make it to the large, medium or very large. You can see the preview at the top and then once done, tap on apply at bottom of your screen. With that you have successfully changed or make your font size bigger in Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.